I am giving away the full course, The Fundamentals Every Bartender Must Know, for free to 5 lucky winners.
Rockstar, every day I rock hard. I'm a motherfucking rock star. Every day I rock hard. I'm a rock star.
Hi Rockstars, I'm Aly, your Rockstar Bar Girl, and I just wanted to hop on here really quickly to bring you guys an exciting announcement, or at least I think it's exciting. I am a Leo baby, and on Friday, August 9th, it will be my birthday. So I decided that it would be really cool to celebrate my birthday this year by doing another giveaway. I loved doing the giveaway at the course launch so much. I had so much fun. It was amazing seeing all of you guys get involved and enter into the giveaway, and it just made me feel so good to send out all of the giveaway goodies to the winner. So I decided that I wanted to do that again, and I wanted to do it even bigger this time. So for my birthday, I have decided to give away 5, yes, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 free Rockstar Bar Girl Masterclass Course 1s. As you guys already know, I am super passionate about helping people use bartending to take them anywhere they want in their lives. I use bartending to move out on my own, to put myself through college and then through law school, and it's just been an incredibly rewarding career path for me. I believe that anybody can become a bartender. It doesn't matter where you're from or what you look like, and it doesn't matter if you've never worked in a bar or restaurant before. I truly believe that you can learn how to bartend, and you can learn how to bartend from my course. So it would mean the world to me to be able to share the course with as many people as possible. I know that there are a lot of you, I know because you message me, who are thinking about taking the course but just can't right now. Maybe you just don't have the finances to invest, or you're just not sure if it's a worthwhile investment and if you're going to make that money back. So I would love to share this course with more people, even if they're not able to actually purchase it. So I want to give this course away to 5 different people so that you guys can take it and let me and everyone else know if it gives you the confidence that you need to go out there and start looking for a bartending job. I know that it will, but I think it will speak volumes to everyone else to hear back from people who have actually taken the course and then use that information to go and get a bartending job. So to be eligible to join in the giveaway contest, all you have to do is join my mailing list. So you don't have to subscribe to me on YouTube, you don't have to be following me on Instagram. All you have to do to be eligible is to join my mailing list. So you can do that by heading over to therockstarbargirl.com and just filling out the join the mailing list pop-up that pops up when you do. All you have to do to enter is to tag 2 friends on any giveaway post. So it can be a post on Instagram, or it can be my video on YouTube. Either way, anything related to this giveaway, just tag 2 friends and you are entered into the giveaway. You can enter as many times as you want. That will only increase the chances that you win. But remember, to be eligible, you must be on the mailing list. I will be giving away 5 courses, and I will announce all 5 winners on my birthday, Friday, August 9th. And of course, if you have any questions about how the giveaway contest will work, just leave me your questions down below and I will get back to you. Good luck to everyone who enters. I'm rooting for you. Bye, Rockstars.
Rockstar.